Uniswap value equivalent to $6.7683 a coin. The present reach. $6.5130, $6.8772. The earlier day close. $6.5130. The change was plus 0.2553, plus 3.92%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to unit. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at $5.98. Most extreme cost $7.96, least cost $5.98. The normal for the month $6.68. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $6.80, change for December 13.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Before all else cost at $6.80. Most extreme cost $8.98, least cost $6.45. The normal for the month $7.29. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $6.94, change for January 2.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at $6.94. Greatest cost $8.61, least cost $6.94. The normal for the month $7.64. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $8.05, change for February 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at $8.05. Greatest cost $8.05, least cost $6.98. The normal for the month $7.65. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.50, change for spring 6.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at $7.50. Most extreme cost $8.19, least cost $7.11. The normal for the month $7.61. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $7.65, change for April 2.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. In the first place cost at $7.65. Greatest cost $7.65, least cost $5.98. The normal for the month $6.93. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $6.43, change for May 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $6.43. Greatest cost $7.98, least cost $6.43. The normal for the month $7.08. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.46, change for June 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset cost at $7.46. Most extreme cost $8.38, least cost $7.28. The normal for the month $7.74. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $7.83, change for July 5.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $7.83. Most extreme cost $7.83, least cost $6.71. The normal for the month $7.40. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $7.21, change for August 7.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. To start with cost at $7.21. Greatest cost $7.21, least cost $6.04. The normal for the month $6.74. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $6.49, change for September 10.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $6.49. Greatest cost $6.49, least cost $5.64. The normal for the month $6.17. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $6.06, change for October 6.6%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for November 2024. Before all else cost at $6.06. Most extreme cost $6.41, least cost $5.57. The normal for the month $6.01. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $5.99, change for November 1.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at $5.99. Most extreme cost $7.44, least cost $5.99. The normal for the month $6.59. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $6.95, change for December 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. To start with cost at $2.41. Greatest cost $2.41, least cost $1.97. The normal for the month $2.23. Uniswap cost gauge unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $2.12. Most extreme cost $2.41, least cost $2.09. The normal for the month $2.22. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.25, change for spring 6.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.25. Greatest cost $2.25, least cost $1.76. The normal for the month $2.04. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.89, change for April 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. Initially cost at $1.89. Most extreme cost $2.34, least cost $1.89. The normal for the month $2.08. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.19, change for May 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2026. At the outset cost at $2.19. Most extreme cost $2.64, least cost $2.19. The normal for the month $2.37. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.47, change for June 12.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.47. Most extreme cost $2.47, least cost $1.93. The normal for the month $2.24. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.07, change for July 16.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2026. At the outset cost at $2.07. Most extreme cost $2.07, least cost $1.62. The normal for the month $1.88. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.74, change for August 15.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for September 2026. In the first place cost at $1.74. Greatest cost $2.16, least cost